Hey legends!
I'm Jazzy.
And I am Robbie.
And we are going to be showing you how to make a very simple homemade pizza dough.
Woo! Let's get into it.
First step is to add your lukewarm water into a large bowl. Then sprinkle dry yeast and wait for about 5 minutes.
Add salt, sugar, and oil, then mix.
Slowly add flour to the mixture and continue to stir.
Make sure to leave some leftover flour so that you can sprinkle over a clean surface and begin to knead the dough.
After kneading the dough for about 10 minutes, coat a clean large bowl with a tablespoon of oil. Then place the dough in the bowl and cover with cling wrap.
You are going to want to leave the dough to rise for 1 to 2 hours.
Once the dough has risen, sprinkle the surface with flour and begin to knead for another 5 to 10 minutes.
Since this recipe is for 2 pizza bases, cut the dough in half and begin to roll out to your desired size and thickness. Then place your pizza base on the tray and you're ready to go.
If you are pre-making your pizza bases, all you have to do is just cover in Glad wrap, and you can even freeze them for up to 3 weeks.
Now all you need to do is just add your favorite toppings and cook. From experience, we have found there is no right amount of time to cook the pizza. Just set your oven at the highest temperature and keep an eye on it.
After you make and taste your own homemade pizza base, you will never want to go back to buying pre-made bases ever again.
Comment down below and let us know whether you have made homemade pizzas before, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See ya!
There's a bread loaf in here.
Oh my god.
Imagine, here's one we prepared earlier.